Choose the correct answer to replace the underlined word or phrase. Write your score in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Number 1. I must bring my pencil, eraser and pen to school. A. Stationery. B. Tools. C. Equipment. D. Utensils. The right answer is A. Stationery. Number 2. Please lay the spoons, forks, and knives on the table, said Mother. A. Utensils. B. Tools. C. Machines. D. Cutlery. The right answer is D. Cutlery. Number 3. The plates will not be clean unless you wash off the soap thoroughly. A. Clean. B. Scrub. C. Rinse. And D. Wipe. The right answer is C. Rinse. Number 4. The place where fish are kept has not been cleaned for a long time. A. Kitchen. B. Garage. C. Aquarium. D. Reservoir. The right answer is C. Aquarium. Number 5. I was left at home by myself as a punishment for being rude. A. Along. B. Alone. C. Alongside. And D. Altogether. The right answer is B. Alone. Number 6. The container for water is missing. A. Bin. B. Sink. C. Basket. And D. Jug. The right answer is D. Jug. Number 7. We were not allowed to go to the attic. A. Permitted. B. Permed. C. Perfume. D. Performed. And the right answer is A. Permitted. Number 8. The place where car is parked is leaking. A. Hall. B. Backyard. C. Garage. D. Garden. And the right answer is C. Garage. Number 9. It is not fair that we have to do the homework, complained Betty. A. Grumbled. B. Embarrassed. C. Screeched. And D. Advised. And the right answer is A, grumbled. Number 10. Mrs. Sam screamed when she saw the python in her room. A, smiled. B, shrieked. C, talked. D, scolded. And the right answer is B, shrieked. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.